Welcome back for another camper cooking episode. I'm here in the Eastern Sierras and I just got this Toasty Pie little thingy, vintage Toasty Pie from a garage sale. So we're gonna try this thing out. So let's try this thing out. So we just cooked some rotisserie chicken. We got it all shredded up for later, and we're gonna pack that away and make lots of stuff in the next few days with that. But I'm really excited because tonight I'm gonna try out this Toasty Pie over the fire. So this is, if you see the box too, it's really cool. It's really vintage. And there's the label from the garage sale. There was a 1982 Coleman camp stove next to it. And I really wanted to buy it, but I don't have room for it. But anyways, so this is probably from the 80s or 90s. But what you do is you can take 2 pieces of bread and you can smush them up in there and you can make like whatever you want. Check it out. Let's read the box a little bit and get to know it. So, Toasty Pie, tasty sandwich pies for all occasions. Turns 2 slices of bread and your favorite filling into a pie or hot sealed toasted sandwich. So you can make like a toasted PB&J, which would be cool, but mainly just any toasted sandwich. And then also look, for delicious pies or fruit tarts, use fruit preserves or freshly cooked apples, peaches, cherries. You can make pies with this thing. About 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side. We're gonna be doing it over the fire pit right over here. This is a really cool fire pit between 2 rocks in an amazing area. We got this whole beach to ourselves. Nobody over here, nobody in sight. Coda's loving it. We just went on a kayak ride. We got the fire brewing good. So now we're gonna load up the old gal here. The old Toasty Pie. So I've got bread, country potato bread, some Kraft single Swiss, and our leftover rotisserie chicken. And I'm gonna put some ranch in there. So like a chicken ranch. I wish, if I had bacon, it'd be really good. I mean, I do have bacon, but I'd have to cook it separate. So, but a chicken bacon ranch would be the ultimate. But we're gonna do just a chicken Swiss ranch. Chicken ranch or Swiss, there you go. Okay, so first we'll butter both sides of the bread. Piece of cheese on there. Chicken from here. Oh wow, this is gonna be way too big, but whatever. First time, right? Wow, let's check that out. I just realized this thing's really short, so this is gonna be kind of hard to get it in there, but let's see how we can do. All right, let's see if we can just get it right there. Oh no. Okay, so you just saw a failure there. This popped open. I gotta make sure to keep this closed. That's kind of tricky, actually. As you can see, it's actually looking pretty good. It's juicing out and stuff already. So let's give it a little more on the other side here. And we'll probably pop it out pretty soon. I'm thinking this is gonna be pretty good. The cool thing with this is just open it right up and eat it. Oh wow, look at that. The cheese is crisping up real good. Look at all the morsels, the cheese melted around there. Coda, what do you think? Does it smell good? I'm really excited to eat this actually. And you know, maybe later I'll make a peanut butter and honey one over the fire. I think that'd be better than jelly when it's all hot and toasty. Yeah, I want to get it kind of like panini, you know, where it's like toasty, like Toasty Pie. Swiss cheese is bubbling up nice. I even think we're getting some ranch bubbling out. give it another open and see how it looks. See, it's still kind of like moist right here. Oh wow, I just snuck a taste. Absolutely delicious. Alright you guys, I'm gonna call this Toasty Pie done. So let's take it back to the camper, put it on a plate, and see if she tastes great. Alrighty, Mr. Toasty. Let's see how you did here, Pie Bud. Wow. Okay, so I gotta clean that. It's gonna need some good cleaning, but check this thing out. It's all like gooey in there. Alright, you know me, I gotta get first reactions. And you guys are sitting in the camper, just so you know. So yeah, we're right out here. Alright. Let's dig in, eh? Holy cow. The crisp around here. I'm so excited to do a peanut butter and honey. It's gonna be like a homemade peanut butter and honey Uncrustables. Campfire cooked, like the best. Oh my gosh, my chair's over the fire. Ah! Oh no! It's melted. Oh well, good thing it was cheap. Anyways, this thing's awesome. And yeah, I can't wait to do like a peanut butter and honey tonight. This is really good though, actually. Woo! I love making good food. Found this little Toasty Pie. Figured you guys would like it. So that's why I started doing a camper cooking series. Like I haven't enjoyed cooking this much ever. When you're out here, you have to cook or else you're not gonna eat anything good. And you want to eat good stuff, of course. Peanut butter, honey time, peanut butter, honey time. So I felt like this was a good way to use the, ends of the bread that you really don't like using. So yeah. Good luck, peanut butter and honey Toasty Pie. You can do it. Be delicious. This is a dangerous game. This thing is not long enough for fires. Ow. Technique though, you can just kind of push the stick of it in there and then rotate it around. Ow. I got it set up like that. And that might work pretty well. It's not that close to the fire though. Look at the crispy, the bubbling edges. Oh yeah. Alright, I think it's done. Oh, it's gonna be good. Okay. It's to die for. Look at that. Honey, peanut butter. So thanks so much for watching the Toasty Pie video. I really love making these cooking videos for you, so let me know what you think down in the comments. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those yummy eats. And as you know, the question is, are you down to mob? Oh, that last bite was so good. Dude, you can't put any clips after the "Are you down to mob?" Oh no, it's already gone on too long. Ah! End the video! Cut! Oh, she's a